In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay with multiple gift cards. This can be really handy when you have several gift cards with small balances. Let's dive right in and get started with the best option, which is using the store checkout method. First, add the items you want to purchase to your cart. Take your time to ensure you have everything you need. Once you have all your items ready, proceed to checkout. This is where you'll begin using your gift cards for payment. At the checkout, you'll be prompted to select your payment method. Choose the gift card option. This is crucial because it allows you to start applying the balances from your gift cards. Now, enter the first gift card number along with the PIN. These numbers are usually found on the back of the card or in the email if it's an e-gift card. Double-check the numbers to avoid any errors. Click the Apply button. This will deduct the balance of the first gift card from your total. You should see the updated amount reflected in your total purchase. If you're wondering why this step is important, it ensures that the balance from your gift card is correctly applied before you proceed. Next up, look for the option to add another gift card. If this option is available, click on it. This feature is key because it allows you to use multiple gift cards in a single transaction, maximizing your savings. Enter the details of your next gift card, again including the number and PIN. Repeat the process of clicking Apply. This ensures that the balance from the second gift card is also deducted from your total. You may need to repeat this process several times depending on how many gift cards you have. Continue entering the details of each gift card and applying them until all the gift cards have been used. Remember, this method is efficient because it lets you use up all your balances, which might be a hassle otherwise. Once you're done with applying all the gift cards, you'll see the remaining balance, if any, that needs to be covered by another payment method like a credit card or debit card. Complete your payment by following the prompts for any remaining balance. You may need to enter your card details or select another payment method to cover the rest. Once everything is processed, you'll receive a confirmation of your purchase. This reassurance lets you know that your order has been successfully placed. This method of using multiple gift cards during checkout is not only convenient but also ensures that you're making the most out of your gift cards. It saves time and reduces the chance of leaving unused balances on your cards. If you encounter any issues during this process, double-check the numbers and PINs, as mistyped details are often the culprit. And there you have it, a simple and effective way to pay with multiple gift cards. I hope this guide has been helpful and that you feel confident applying it next time you're shopping. Thank you for watching and happy shopping.